more of what I always wanted, becoming less of who I've ever been. As I promised myself I'd never hurt you as I did. You can't trust a liar, how can you trust me again?
I'm running out of ways to say I'm sorry, and I know that you never wanted, but it's a love that you regretted. I'll never share my title tongue.
I know toes,
Gosh,